Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Crunchyroll. You go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Crunchyroll and you will enter. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.